Video. Yay! We're doing a video. Diamonds. Yay! Thank you for all of the support I got on my last video. And the video before that. I was literally crying during school. I was crying of happiness. Because I had went and checked. And there were so many views. I was happy. Ah, creeper. Ah! I don't want to die with my diamonds. Where's my shield? Oh, shoot. I forgot my shield in my house, and there are 2 creepers. Oh, no! I also forgot my diamond sword. Get in the water. All right, good. It blew up, but not on me. That's good. That scared me so bad. All right, we're never leaving my house without a shield. We're never leaving that beautiful little survival home that I built. I can't build. If any of my viewers know how to build stuff, give me your Discord. Let's log on, and you can teach me how to do things. I'm starving. I left without food. Don't ask how I got these. I wanted a horse, but I couldn't find any that I liked. So, yeah. These wolves, I did not hack them in. No, I didn't cheat. I didn't hack them in. I didn't do anything. Okay, I creative moded this house, because I can't build. I got all of the stuff from creative. None of it's from survival, except for the armor and the stuff on the chests. That wood is from, all of the stuff on the chests are from normal. Grab my diamond stuff. Woo, let's go! What? This, where's my chest? We need these! Rare. There we go. Ah, that's the nature. Wood. Seeds. Mob loot. Leather. Rare. Saddle. Spawn. Tools. Sword. Sorting. Sorting. Oh, nighttime. Sleep. Oh, and if you ever see me online, my username will have Katie in it, and it will most likely be Katie2010. I'm starving. Why am I starving? But if you find me in a game, just copy and paste my. Well, oh, you don't even have to copy and paste. Just say, okay, just to make sure, and just to make sure that you're not joking. When you say I watch your videos, if you watch this one, then you would know what to say if you're actually a fan of mine. But if you're really a fan of mine and you see me in a game, like in Simple Survival, that's literally my favorite server. I'm on it almost all the time. Also, I would recommend going into that. But yeah, if you see me online in any game, I don't care what game, if you see Kitten Gamer 627, if you just see me anywhere, online, any game, I don't care what game, just say, Katie2010, I need social interaction. And then I will know that you are a fan of mine. Yay! We're going on 4 minutes and I haven't done anything productive. Nummy, 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 nummy. Food! That door just shut in front of me and then opened the other door. I don't appreciate you, doors! Horses! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Horse. Alright, we need some enchantments, but I have no lapis. Let's steal some from Open. Open in his little dirt shack. Does he have any chest? Ah, chest. Ah! Die. Oh. Lapis, Lapis. Where's the Lapis? Where? Ah, Lapis. Huh? Huh? What? I have the temptation to steal, but I also don't. We'll just use his enchantment table for now. Should we enchant my armor? Or my stuff? There's an arrow right through my hip. Hip arrow. Okay, none of that stuff is good. Lapis back in. Diamond chestplate. Unbreaking project. Nah. Why do I always get this terrible stuff? What? How does that even make sense? Alright. No. No, it's not worth it. Hi, horse. No. Oh, I forgot to put his lapis back. Ah! Fire. We didn't start the fire. It was always burning since the world was turning. I had to. I'm sorry. Is that a dog? No, it's a horse. You don't deserve to live if you're going to trick me. There's like 10 horses down there for me just pushing them in after the little horse accident. Chicken! It's stuck! Where did I... Oh, no. Oh. The stupid MacBook almost just timed out and powered itself down. And you see, when it turns off, I can't remember the password. Meaning I have to go do some long question codes to get back in. Ooh, horsey! It's about to get over. I need a way to keep my animals... Oh, I need a saddle. I need a way to keep my animals from getting in here, so... You see nothing? You see nothing? You see nothing? You see nothing? Nothing here, nothing to see. You see absolutely nothing. Nothing is going on. Whoops! Mine it. Yes, mine it. Yeah, nothing's going on. We need gates. Oak fence gate. No. There. Alright, now I need the saddle to get my horse back in. 'Cause it's about to get out. Oh no. Come back here. Oh, and it's out. Alright, well, we're going over to capture it. Alright, well, we just need to check if this... You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I gotta remove them? But I liked it. I liked how that looked. Alright, well, safety for the horses. This is a slow horse. I don't like this horse very much. And another horse got out. This is my good horse. They're all getting out! Oh no! We gotta go capture all of them. Woo! We gotta get them all back. This is one of my faster horses. Her name is Star. I feel like I name all of my horses Star. Yeah, ignore that I just gave myself stuff, though. Ignore that. Cobble and stone. Tools. Arrow. Arrow. Alright. That was chaotic. I'm still cold. Why does life have to be like I'm inside of an icebox all the time? I think it's like 60 degrees outside and I'm freezing. Why does this happen? We haven't done anything productive. We're going on 11 minutes. I might as well tell you I'm probably going to lose track of time and forget to say goodbye before the video ends. So don't get mad at me if that happens. Because it always happens. So if that happens, I'm sorry. I'm actually sorry if that happens. Burp. I just love how it says burp. Ah! 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 Hey, I did some mining off camera. I'm not gonna keep them. No, I'm gonna throw them away. But, no, I'm keeping them. I'm keeping them. They're mine. They're mine, so I'm gonna keep them. Yeah, I did some mining off camera. Yeah. I did some mining off camera. Yay! No, I have a hardcore world that I've never played in. I can't handle the stress of a creeper behind me. If there's a creeper, I'm going to scream. I scream if there's a mob behind me and I don't want to die. Like, the other day... Ah! What did I just do? I think I accidentally pushed the help button on my keyboard. I don't know why that exists. If anyone has any idea how to turn it off, please tell me. Because I don't know how to turn it off, and I accidentally push it all the time when I'm just trying to do that. It's the most obnoxious thing ever. Oh yeah, that's the first pillager outpost I have ever like encountered and gotten an XP bottle from. Because I normally die 10 times before I actually go into it. I'm a weak little Minecraft player that doesn't know how to build or gather anything. I like flowers, though. I love flowers. Would you like to know what my favorite flower is? Put in the comments what you think my favorite flower is right now. Yes, you. I mean you. You right there watching this. You! You there. Do it right now. Right now. Now! Okay, I'll go show you. Let's go show you before the last 2 minutes I have ends. Ah! Open the door. Open the door. Okay. My favorite flower? The stutter flower. That's what I'm going to call it for now. The stutter flower because I stutter when I try and say it. Hallelujah. Ah, please give me the pronunciation. Pronunciation? Whatever. It doesn't matter. And if you have any idea of, like, just some random intro I could do when I start a video, besides saying, hey, welcome back, please tell me. I'm done. Alright, well, I'm gonna end the video here. Goodbye! The doggo says goodbye! Bye! Yay, goodbye! Goodbye!